Yeah, how's everybody doing today, man? Sheldon Frost here, the Frostman 21. Today, how to set a stop loss and a trailing stop on Robinhood and Moomoo, step by step, so you never lose more than you planned. This is the single most important skill in trading. If you skip this, you will blow up your account. First, what is a stop loss? A stop loss is an order to automatically sell your stock if it drops to a certain price. Locks in your max loss. Takes emotion out of it. You set the price. The broker executes. You're protected even if you're at work, at dinner, asleep. Two kinds: hard stop and trailing stop. Hard stop, fixed price. You buy a stock at 50, set stop at 48. If it hits 48, sold, period. Trailing stop, moves with the price. You buy at 50, set trailing stop $2 below. Stock goes to 55. Stop moves to 53. Stock dips to 53. Sold. Trailing stops let you ride winners without giving back all your gains. Best of both worlds. Now Robinhood. How to set a hard stop. Open the Robinhood app. Tap your stock. Hit the trade button at the bottom right. Tap Sell. Then, at the top of the order screen, tap the order type drop-down. Choose Stop Loss. Enter your stop price, the price you want to sell at if the stock drops. Enter the number of shares to sell. Review. Swipe up to submit. Done. Stop loss is active. It'll sit there until triggered or you cancel. Robinhood trailing stop. Same flow. Trade. Sell. Order type. But this time choose trailing stop loss. You can set the trail by dollar amount or percentage. I usually use percentage. 5% below works for most swing trades. Enter shares. Review. Submit. Now the stop follows your stock up. Locks profits as it climbs. Now Moomoo. How to set a hard stop. Open Moomoo. Tap your stock. Hit the trade button. Choose Sell. Then tap the order type. Moomoo calls it Stop Order or Stop Limit Order. Stop Order is the same as Robinhood Stop Loss. Enter your stop price. Enter shares. Hit Place Order. Moomoo also lets you set stop limit, where you specify both trigger and minimum sell price. Moomoo trailing stop. Same flow. Tap trade. Sell. Order type. Choose trailing stop. Set trail. By dollar amount or percentage. Same as Robinhood. 5% works for swings. Place the order. Done. Both apps work the same way under the hood. Different button colors. Best practices. Set your stop the moment you enter. Not later. Not after you check the chart again. Immediately, or you'll never do it. Place stops at logical levels, below real support, not random round numbers. Smart money knows where everyone's stops sit. On swings, use trailing stops once you're up 2 to 3%. Locks in profit, even if the stock reverses. Never move your stop further away to avoid getting stopped out. That's how accounts die. Move it tighter, never wider. Stops are the difference between a trader and a gambler. Master this. The rest gets easier. Position sizing. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Set your stop the moment you enter. This is not financial advice. Educational content only. Do your own research. Trade at your own risk. If you guys like this content, like, follow, subscribe. Throw me something in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Happy trading. Happy investing. See you Monday at 9:30. Come hang out.